Hello, my name is Jay Carpenter of the PHONEWORD Forum, and today is Wednesday, August the 26th, 2015. It's 4 p.m. Eastern Time, and today we have an open session. We're going to be talking about naming, addressing, and numbering, security, DNS, and the blockchain. So we also have an update on the activities of the Modern group and the STIR group of the IETF 93. And basically, if you go to PHONEWORD.com, under the PHONEWORD forum, there's a link there today on where you can watch the activities of the Modern group and the STIR group and see basically exactly where they're at with their endeavors to build a prototype as well as to address telephony and VoIP security. I'm not going to take a look at that today. I apologize. I'm creating this session from a remote location. And however, I would like to note that basically, at least as far as I can tell, the Modern group has not had any communications, at least on the distribution list, since about July 22nd or so, 23rd. There wasn't an update on the minutes, so I'm not quite sure what's going on with the Modern group at this point or the STIRs. But part of what they're dealing with is the certificate authorities, and also, and I'm going to pull this up because I think this is really important. Okay, bear with me just a moment. So, okay, so I'm going to screen share. I apologize for this. Okay, so OK Turtles Foundation and the DNS chain is a way to use the blockchain as what these folks are contending is a more secure way to connect in a DNS-like fashion without necessarily using certificate authorities, which if you watch this video, you'll see that he talks about a number of long-standing issues with certificate authorities, and that is a contrast to the traditional way that security on the internet, HTTPS, is generally approached. So I think this is very interesting. There is also about an hour-long podcast by the founder of OK Turtles and DNS Chain, which goes into depth about how the blockchain can be used as security. So I invite you to take a look at this and take a look at DNS Chain. I'm not saying this is the solution. However, I do think that, and I'm going to stop the sharing at this point. I do think that the blockchain is a very interesting architecture for a whole new realm of security for connectivity, for peer-to-peer connectivity. And the part that I think most people are grappling with at this point is how do you, which of the models are best? Is it proof of work? Is it proof of stake? Or is it proof of burn? And those are critical elements. I think that proof of stake is a very promising opportunity. So I'm going to go ahead and conclude today's PhoneWord Forum, and I appreciate you tuning in. You can follow along at PHONEWORD.com under the PhoneWord Forum for more information. There will be PhoneWord workshops next month, as well as, which was on the second Wednesday and the third Wednesday of the month at respectively 5 p.m. Eastern Time on the second Wednesday and 11 a.m. Eastern on the third Wednesday. There also will be a workshop held by the Federal Communications Commission on, I believe it's September the 16th, regarding caller ID spoofing and robocalling. And all of that has to do with identity management and security. So thank you very much for tuning in, and I look forward to you joining us on the last Wednesday of the month, next month in September at, again, 4 p.m. Eastern. Goodbye.